Hey guys, welcome back to the Alexis Michala channel. Today we are doing some house hunting, and this is part one of the vlog. I did upload part one, a little snippet. It was like 57 seconds on my TikTok, but I'm just going to kind of walk you guys through what we thought of this home, a little bit about the specs. I'm not sure, I don't remember exactly what the square footage was. But this is a 3-bedroom townhome. It comes with a 1-car garage and a 2-car driveway, which is really nice. This is, I guess it's a little spacious. You know, the rooms are a little bit tight, but I did like how the hall bath, as you can see, it has 2 sinks in a bathroom, and it's pretty spacious. I love the master bedroom in this home because they give you a walk-in closet. The bathroom is really nice. It has a separate, you know, toilet room, all that good stuff, which is all things that I like in a home. I thought it was really nice and cozy, and I think it's a good starter home to have, especially if you're just like a couple or a single person or whatever. I think it's a great start. I did want to mention as well, this is a new construction unit, so no one has ever lived in these homes. I guess not design team, but the construction company that built these homes is DR Horton, and I don't know if this is, I guess it's a popular builder elsewhere, but I know in the state of South Carolina it is very popular. Now, recently, you know, we toured this home a couple, like, months back, so this is old footage. But shortly we started to see like people complaining about the homes and saying that their homes fell apart and things in that of that nature. So that was very shocking because from what I can tell, you know, I'm not in the construction field, but from what I can tell, it seemed like a really nice home, and I love the tiny details that they did incorporate. So I was very surprised to see that the homes are not lasting and, you know, people were having issues with it. But I did want to throw that in there as well. I also want to apologize for how it is recorded. I just intended on putting this on, you know, short form platforms. So, you know, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Reels, Instagram Reels. But this is how it is. I think there is some homes that we toured where I recorded it not in portrait mode. So hopefully we can get that footage, but I'll go ahead and let you guys listen to kind of some of the things I was saying in here. It wasn't as I was just kind of talking to myself, like making mental notes about what I liked about the home and things like that. So, but anyways, I'll go ahead and let you guys tune in. It's hidden, which is pretty cool. I love their light switches. It's big, it's good. Hidden in here, just need your tissue rack. You can close that off. There's no tub in here, so baby would definitely have to be bathed in another room, another bathroom. But there's a shower. Don't really take baths anyway, so it's not a huge thing for me. So cut the light off. That's the master. And then we're gonna go downstairs. They use Honeywell Home for their thing. And then this is the stairs. Okay. This is the front door. Nice little entryway right here. Right, and then see the stairs. This is the garage. 1-car garage. Keeping my Jeep in here, you know what I'm saying? I miss having a garage. I miss having my car in a garage. Okay, so you put your car in there. Your baby's truck in out there. And that's that. Then you walk in here. This is under the stairs closet. So it goes back there. Storage space is good. And then this is bathroom, half bath. Like that, it's downstairs. You don't have to run upstairs to use the bathroom. And close that. Like the walkway, yeah. And this is the living room space. So it seems like they want you to put the TV on this wall. But I would actually put the TV on this wall and then try to put like a small sectional. And then we turn this way, have a little dining space, put a small dining set right there. Then you turn here, and here's the kitchen. So that's the island. Over here, you have a pantry. Nice pantry, because some places don't even have pantry space. So I think that is good. This is the backyard. She said where those pink thingies are, the stakes, that's where our backyard would end. So if we want to get a fence, we could. I would definitely want to get a fence. But for right now, they have these little white dividers. And then we go more into the kitchen, chores. There's out here heating service people. And the cabinets, white cabinets. And they have Whirlpool appliances in here. So they have your dishwasher here. Never worked with a Whirlpool dishwasher before, but it should be okay. And then gas stove. I don't really like gas, but this is what it is. And here you click open door and it opens. That's cool. Have to take some getting used to do that. And the stove, my stuff, the sink, basic sink, good. And then there, the refrigerator. Nice and decent space. So, nice little start. Townhouse living, honey. But okay, let's go outside. And that's the front door. That's cool. That's cool. Lock system.
I can lock it up later.
Okay. This black door. That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's two driveways basically. Two driveways.